you only have 6 seconds to get a reader's attention. 6 seconds, that is nothing. And yet so many of us still write these long emails that take forever to get to the point, or documents that follow the traditional order of background, blah, 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 before we ever get to the point, with recommendations at the end. I'm not saying that's a bad thing necessarily in terms of reports, but you have to understand readers' attention span and their expectations. We live in a world where people are bombarded with information, bombarded. You know it, I know it, we all know it. And so we need to rethink, how do we get readers' attention much more quickly? Sometimes that means in an email, getting to the point right away. Sometimes that means in a report, starting with the recommendations. But there are all strategies around this. You can't just do it unless you know who you're writing for and the conclusion you want them to come to. There's a lot of strategy involved, and that's where we come in. We help you figure out the strategy to know how to get your readers' attention and keep it. My name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated, a women-owned certified small business. My number is 877-249-7483, pam@hurleywrite.com. I look forward to chatting with you.